Welcome back to another InvisiLights install recap. This customer wanted permanent lights installed on the front side of the home. That being said, you'd be surprised how often customers call back a few months later to add more sections of lights. Before starting an install, we made sure to check the outlets in all our lights. This customer's home exterior has a layer of styrofoam, so we had to use some longer screws to reach the wood underneath. We chose to use a 24-volt system to help the customer save some money on their electricity bill. The total number of lights needed for the front side of the home was less than 100, but since we needed about 50 feet of extensions to get from the control box to the start of the lights, we had to carry power injection wire along part of the track. This home required a lot of 90-degree corners and 1-foot jumps. When we give a customer a bid, we give them the option to pay a little extra to hide each of the jumps. Some of them choose to have them hidden, and others don't care if there's exposed wiring and loom. This install turned out great, and we made sure that every peak got a bulb. Here's the view at night. If you'd like to learn more about InvisiLights, or if you're interested in becoming a dealer, visit lightsatwholesale.com.